Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can refund Crimson Desert, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to refund Crimson Desert on your PlayStation easily. So you can refund Crimson Desert on a computer or even on your phone. You just need to have a browser. You're going to open up your browser and then you're going to search for PlayStation Network. You're going to go on to this link from PlayStation.com. Afterwards, you're going to come here and now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to sign in here and then you're going to sign into your PlayStation account. Once you're done signing in, now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your account and then you're going to click onto account settings here. And afterwards, you'll be redirected here. Now you're going to click onto transaction history here and then you're going to click continue. When it tells you, it will open up a new tab. And then what you're going to do is you're going to have your transaction history here and then you'll have Crimson Desert at the top here. You're going to click onto it. And when you click onto Crimson Desert, you'll have this request refund button. You're going to click onto request refund. And as long as you are eligible for a refund, when you click onto request refund, you'll get your refund then. So the ages guys, that's how easy it was to request a refund on Crimson Desert. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.